Hi, welcome to another part of the content creation. Now, you have known when to get your content, both the one you research on your own and the one they have written for you. One of the most important things that makes your ebooks to look unique is picture. The image in your ebooks makes the ebook to be a unique one. So I will be showing you where and how you can get your image to use in your ebook. Where and how to get the picture you can use in your ebook. So you come to this place. Now, let's say, assuming you are writing on let us pick a topic. You are writing on self-help. Self-esteem. Let us say you are writing on self-esteem. This is Google, right? So you type self-esteem on Google. So you click on the image. You can see different image on self-esteem. Different image on self-esteem. Here now, you can choose any of it. Just click on it, download it. That's how to get it. And another place to get it is on Splash. On splash.com. On splash.com, you just come here to search for anything you want to search for. Maybe you want to search for confidence. Yes, you want to search for confidence. See, so those are the picture that has to do with confidence. Say it louder. Confidence. So you can just come here, download any picture you want, any picture of your choice, and use it, insert it inside your ebook. So that will keep the interest of the reader. You know, most times when the reader are reading and there's no picture, there's no image illustration, it will be boring. But when you insert picture, it will make it to be lively. So before you can create your ebooks, you need to get an appropriate image for it. So you can use Google and on Splash to get your image. So stay tuned. In the next tutorial, I will be teaching you how you are going to rebrand